Hey guys, Dalton RV. Here's one of our most popular destination campers back in stock. It is a 2026 Cherokee Timberwolf 20OG, the camper with a back porch. This one has a king bedroom in the front, mid bathroom, mid kitchen, rear family living room with a sleeper sofa. This one has a front loft with queen bed and built-in cabinetry on the wall with a fireplace. It also has a small rear loft over the porch. Come check it out at Dalton RV.